So I'm a computer science student, and something that's been bugging me recently is all the talk about how the tech job market is right now. Like, have y'all seen the videos at the Apple convention where it was like thousands of students just busting through the doors and absolutely flooding the elevators? Like, that's literally insane. Me personally, I'm not trying to go to a job fair every single day just to compete. Like, I only really started studying computer science because I love technology. Someone told me they really needed workers and they get paid a lot of money. I wasn't aware that by the time I'm halfway done with my degree that I'd be competing in a Mr. Beast Squid Games just to get a job after I graduate. Something that does help me see the light at the end of the tunnel though is when I see like the people that are actually in the space saying that everything's perfectly fine. After doing some research, I saw a lot of talk about how in 2008 graduates were left with like 2 to 3 years without jobs, but then the market just completely flipped and tons of companies were hiring people. But anyways, today we're going to actually see if the computer science job market is cooked or not. So one major thing everybody in IT should know about is that tech giants love to do just ginormous random layoffs. Like you could walk into your office one day and Jeff Bezos himself will be showing you the door. The most recent tech layoff that's pretty notable would be Twitter's transition into X when it was acquired by Elon Musk. He went ahead and released half of Twitter's total employees, which was 7,500 people, and then 1,500 of those were IT-related personnel. And this actually isn't a problem that's going to be going away, because on January 15th, Microsoft let the world know that in 2025, they're going to be releasing about 1 to 2% of their global workforce. Do a little bit of math, and that's just above 2,000 workers or a little bit under 5,000 workers. And honestly, my guess is that most of those people will be US based because I doubt they'd fire the dude that helped me refund my Xbox Game Pass from India, paying him like $800 a month. Although the Microsoft layoffs won't just apply to IT people. The next thing to look at would probably be how many IT jobs actually are there, and we have seen a 50% decrease, which is pretty staggering, but we do seem like we're making a good recovery. CompTIA went and released an article that said that approximately we'll be seeing a 1 million increase in positions in IT in the next 9 years. And the Bureau of Labor Statistics estimate that about 357,000 jobs will be opening up annually. Hopefully by that time, Indeed and LinkedIn can get rid of those ghost job postings you always see because those are actually so annoying. And another statistic that's pretty interesting is that about 69 million jobs across all professions will be created during our society's transition into heavily utilizing AI, which is actually something a lot of comp sci students are scared of, that being their jobs being taken by AI. But I don't know if you guys have ever had an AI try to do your programming homework. It does not go well. You actually have to know what you're doing and then kind of just go back and fix what was messed up in the generation. Something that should also be considered is that students will shoot for the stars when looking for software engineering jobs. Like, they're just so set with working at places like Google, Amazon, Microsoft. But from personal experience, I just don't think that's necessary, and honestly, I don't know if I would recommend it. Like, from what I hear, the pay is absolutely insane, but it can be similar at smaller companies. I had a great opportunity working at a cybersecurity company near me, and it was an incredible experience. It was a small office, not that many employees, but I got to work on a ton of cool stuff, like all their security stuff. I did drone defense systems, and then I actually worked with a bit of SQL. I redid their accounting database. So I was able to learn a lot there, and I found out that they actually pay their engineers pretty well. So do I think that the computer science and IT job market isn't where it should be right now? Yes. But do I think that the market's just going to flip around and everyone's going to be able to find a job? Maybe. It's definitely going to be better and definitely will not be instant, but I mean, every market goes up and down. So if you're a student, just build your resume and get out there. That's what I'm going to try and do, and hopefully it works. And yeah, maybe I'll update you guys someday and let you know how it went. Anyways, make sure y'all subscribe just in case the market doesn't flip around and I need to feed my family. And go look at my TikTok. Bye.